Mullein, or Verbascum thapsus, is a biannual. Grows in an explosion at the base in the first year of these beautiful fuzzy leaves, also known as hunter's toilet paper because they are so fuzzy. They're also rubificient, meaning that they stimulate blood flow to the surface of the skin. Traditionally, these were used to line mucklucks, moccasins, and other footwear to help you keep your feet warm. Dried, this is a bronchodilator. It opens up the airways, and it's one of the few smoking plants that you can actually use to increase your ability to breathe. I used this for my oldest son when he had cold-induced asthma. The flowers are used in oil for ear infections. They're also tasty right off the plant. I'm going to pick just one of the lower ones here because we want this plant to go to seed. The shape of the flower when it's dead and dry is perfect for making torches. Dipped in raccoon fat, or if you don't have raccoon fat, beef tallow. You can light the tip of a torch this size with this flower head, probably a half hour, 40 minutes of light, which may not seem like, a big deal, but in the winter, in the snow, with the flame of this slow burning torch reflecting off that snow, it's beautiful. When this is completely dry, I'll shave off the leaf scars, and it's a hand drill for a spindle for your hand drill stalk. So we have a medicine in the flowers and in the leaves, a means to keep warm through increasing circulation in the extremities, fire making, and a torch in this one plant. Some people use it to thicken stews. When you put the leaves in hot water, they turn snot-like or mucilaginous, but it doesn't really add much more in the way of flavor to a soup or a stew. It's just for texture. Know this plant, biannual, mullein. Save the seeds in the winter when this is dead and dry. I take my hand, hit the stalk, the seeds fall into the palm of your hand. In disturbed areas, it'll grow and you'll always have it. Mullein.
Here's a perfect example of a first-year basil rosette, second-year flower spike with emergent flowers for food and medicine, the spike that can be used to a hand drill stalk, and here's that same spike in the winter as a torch and a group of torches, and here is the mullein stalk being used as a hand drill spindle to make fire. This particular fireboard is cedar, so mullein on cedar until you have enough of a coal that you can blow it into flame. And there's the coal. Mullein for food, medicine, fire making, and stimulating blood flow to keep your feet warm. Not a bad plant.